everyone, I'm Vivian. Welcome to Rose Lighting. Do you know something about Rose Lighting? Rose Lighting is a very professional manufacturer for LED lighting in China. First for LED chat light. Founded in 2010, over 13 square meter workshop has one-stop production system including cutting, punching, CNC process, die casting, painting, laser printing, assembly, aging, and IES test sector. There are many kinds of LED lighting in our factory. Today, we are going to talk about the LED surface mounted downlight. Have you ever seen this light before? When you go outside, maybe in the supermarket, when you look at the ceiling on the supermarket, or you can see this light. This is our my product, LED surface mounted light. You can see we have different design. This uses the LED reflector, and this one uses the LED lens. From 10 watt, 20 watt, and 13 watt. Would you like to see how this surface mounted light works? Let me show you. Is it clear? You can see the light came out is very soft because we use a very famous brand GR reflector in this lamp. We have different beam angle for you from 50 degrees, 24 degrees, 13.8 degrees, 14.5 degrees, and 16 degrees. You can choose different beam angle, depends on the object you want to lighten. And this light is made by aluminum. We have different color for you to operate, to select. Our common color is set white, set black, and set gray. You can also make matte white or matte black. We can offer the service for you lighting product development, manufacturer, and lighting engineer. And you also can do the custom lighting service. We offer you OEM, ODM, SKD. We have very professional and responsibility after sales service team to service for you. Please contact me by email sales05@romsg.cc. I'm Vivian. See you next time.